Hi, this is Lit and Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2011 Nissan Navara, stock number 7530. From the 2010 to the Act 2015. There's a V9X 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine, backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a V9X 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine. Left hand guard, one dent, left front 17-inch factory Aftermarket tyre, left hand door mirror, front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory Aftermarket tyre, rear tailgate, right rear 17-inch factory Aftermarket tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory Aftermarket tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket touchscreen Pioneer stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.